Let's fix your screen resolution problem on the Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you are facing this screen resolution problem, the first thing that you need to check is for your display adapter and then update your graphics driver. So for this, go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Once opened, go to Display Adapters, right-click on your driver and update the driver. You can either search automatically or search in the local history as well. So this is the first step to solve the problem. In the next one, go to the search bar and type in Display Settings and hit the Enter button. Here are different attachments and the changes that you can do. First of all, click on Scale and you can change the custom scaling. Or what you can do is click on Advanced Display. This is on the related settings, and from here you can check the information such as refresh rate, which is set to 60 Hz in my case. Similarly, you can do the same for yours as well. Now from the display information, tap on Display Adapters Properties. Here are different options that you can set for. Go to its Properties button again. Once open, go to Driver. If you have recently updated and the driver is causing error, click on Rollback Driver, and if not, you can continue with Update Driver and update it again. So once this is done, you can restart your computer, and this should probably fix the issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.